2, 1.
Fancy. Fancy.
So I typically have I use a mirrorless.
Yeah, I think I've got softbox envy here, buddy. Got my little, I brought the mini. All right, that's my buddy Jason Allen on the left with model Mariana in the middle. We're doing a 5-minute shootout here between the two of us. The idea is we each have only 5 minutes to get as many good shots as we can. The problem is we had multiple audio and video failures, and so we're going to have to do a part 2 and redo the whole thing. However, I was able to get my piece of the shoot, enough audio and video to show you what happened. So I did have 5 minutes to shoot, and comment below if you can spot the rookie mistake I made with regards to the model's wardrobe. See if you can see it. Love that. She's a good poser. This is not your first rodeo, is it?
So Greg, while you're shooting, what camera system are you using and lens?
Sony a7 IV, Tamron 28-75 G2.
Okay.
And right now I'm at about 49 millimeters, and I'm just trying to more or less just get different angles, you know. Love. So let's turn towards me. Yep. Move in towards the plant a little bit more. Yep, exactly. And I want to kind of shoot through the flowers, kind of bring them just next to your face. Yep. Yep. Let's see. I've got some people over here. Perfect. I love the leg posing. Cool, good. All right, let's switch it up. So let's go across the street over here.
Okay.
Y'all ready?
Yep. Hard to do by ourselves.
Good. So we're gonna go right on the sidewalk right here.
Okay.
And I like these lights in the background, so that's what I'm gonna start with. So this will be your spot right here.
Okay.
And you're gonna face the other way. So just a little tip, I'm asking her what side she prefers to be shot from, either the left or the right side, and she's pointing to the opposite side, so that's why I moved the softbox over to her preferred side.
So we're 2 minutes down, Greg. 2 minutes.
All right. So this is where it's nice not to have a huge softbox when it's windy, all right? So I was referring to at the beginning when I was making fun of Jason's huge softbox. The larger the softbox, the softer the light, and that's why we use them, and I prefer larger ones as well. But what I'll do is look outside before I go on a shoot, see if it's windy, and pick a smaller softbox or modifier so it doesn't blow away in the wind, especially if I don't have someone to hold it for me. So I got away from this spot pretty quick. I wasn't loving it. It was just too busy in the background. I got a couple good shots, but you can see there's a car back there and other distractions. So when you get to a spot like that, just take a few shots and move on. Get to a better spot.
I think about 3 minutes in.
Okay.
1 minute left. 1 minute left.
Perfect. All right, down here to the dark part.
35 seconds.
Stand right in front of that window right there. And looking this way. Yep. Perfect.
And then give us a 10 seconds.
Okay.
9,
7, 6, 5, 4,
Love it.
3, 2, 1.
All right.
Fantastic. It's not easy when you're trying to do YouTube yourself, shoot yourself.
I need more time.
That was
These things need to marinate for a little bit. I need to
Exactly.
look around. That's hard.
It is hard.
That is difficult to do.
So something that I've actually learned kind of just shooting over the years is a lot of times it feels like it takes a few minutes to even get into a rhythm, right? And 5 minutes isn't enough.
It is not. Not just for the photographer, but for the model as well. She's just right on it. Pretty much from the get-go, she was good. A lot of models, though, it takes them 15 minutes or so to get warmed up and get into like a groove. You know.
So here's another on-the-spot question, and then I'll get ready for my turn.
Okay.
Is this a good challenge for a photographer to take on?
Yeah, absolutely. It helps you think on your feet, right?
Yeah.
You quickly have to survey the landscape, everything around you, and find your spots where you're going to pick. You got to be looking not only at the lines, the sidewalk, the lines in the sidewalk, the lines in the buildings. You're looking for leading lines. You're looking for framing. I didn't really get much framing. You're looking for maybe bokeh in the lights, right? You're looking for all these things, but you don't have a lot of time to find it, right? So foliage was the first thing I saw. It doesn't really, her outfit doesn't really scream, shoot me in the foliage, but you know, that's where I just wanted to get started, and then I wanted to work my way down here, and it was difficult, but it's definitely, it makes you think fast.
And I think that's what I really like about it. Not that we ever do it on, all the time, but you have to know your camera.
Yeah, you can't be fiddling around too much. Yep. And if, like for me, like if the lighting wasn't like I will fiddle with the lights until that's perfect, and then start shooting. Right? You don't have time for that. Just get it close. Right. The other thing is, this will teach you don't shoot in one spot for too long.
Exactly.
Don't take too many shots. Just go in, get the shot, and move on. Right.
Yep.
I'm guilty of.
I
will park my butt in one spot and shoot all day if I don't remind myself not to. So
fantastic.
So,
good work. Looking forward to see the edits.
Yeah.
That way we can get them in the video, and you guys can check them out too.